Now you are going to create circle plots for Google Earth. In this video, we will show you how to generate the circles using sample data. To complete this exercise, you will need to use your own data to generate circles around the seismograph stations. Click on the eScience Lab's KML Circle Generator link in your student manual. Keep Google Earth open while you navigate to this website. Type the latitude and longitude for each location in the labeled boxes. There will be one circle for each seismograph station. Then, fill in the circle radius boxes corresponding distance from epicenter data from Table 1. Do not use any commas when entering your circle radius data. After entering your data, make sure the kilometers button is selected for each circle. Type the name of each circle in the point name box. You should name each circle according to the name of the seismograph station. Finally, select a file name and type it in the file name box. The default name is circles. After you have double-checked your entries, click on the Create File box. Select the download link that appears next to the button and save the file to your computer. Make sure you know the location where you are saving your file. Now, open the save file in Google Earth. Go to the File menu and select Open, and then find your file. Select the file and click Open. 3 circles should appear on the globe. Your circles should look similar to the ones here, except they should surround your seismograph stations. Now you can determine the location of the earthquake's epicenter. The epicenter is where the 3 circles intersect or are close to intersecting. For the complete procedure, please see your student manual.